The realm of organic chemistry is pivotal for food safety officers who must understand various compounds that can affect food quality and safety. One major group is alcohols, which are versatile solvents and can act as preservatives. For instance, ethanol is commonly used in food production. Preparation of alcohols often involves fermentation or the hydration of alkenes, leading to significant applications in the food industry. Phenols can be found in many natural foods and contribute to flavor and preservation. Their preparation usually involves the distillation of aromatic compounds. Phenolic compounds are known for their antioxidant properties, which help maintain food quality by preventing oxidation. Understanding these properties is crucial for ensuring the safety and integrity of food products. Aldehydes, characterized by the presence of a carbonyl group, are often responsible for aroma in food. They can be synthesized through the oxidation of alcohols or the hydrolysis of nitriles. Their reactivity can impact food safety, especially if they form undesirable compounds. Ketones also share a carbonyl group and can be formed through the oxidative cleavage of fatty acids, contributing both flavor and aroma. Carboxylic acids, known for their sour taste, are essential in food preservation, especially as preservatives in various culinary applications. They can be synthesized through the oxidation of alcohols or through fatty acid degradation. Nitrocompounds, while less common in food, can be formed from the reaction of nitric acid with organic compounds, and understanding their properties is necessary to assess potential risks in food processing. Amines, which arise from the basic amino acids, are essential in food safety due to their role in protein synthesis and flavor. Methods of preparation include the reaction of ammonia with organic compounds. Recognizing the properties of amines helps in understanding their contribution to food hygiene and quality. Understanding these components is essential for anyone preparing for a career in food safety. Key points to take away include the methods of preparation, the chemical properties of each group, and their relevance to the food industry. For further exploration, we present 10 key points about each compound group, enhancing comprehension of their roles and risks in the culinary field. Additionally, familiarize yourself with frequently asked questions and multiple choice questions. This interactive approach will foster a deeper understanding of these organic compounds and their implications in food safety. Lastly, if you find this information valuable, subscribe and comment on the Food Technology YouTube channel for more insights.